NBCC, this 30,000 crore market cap company, gaining nearly 10% now on the back of bonus announcement. Anushi.
Well, yeah, absolutely. As you said, NBCC is clearly a standout in trade today. It's hit about a 8.4% of an intraday high. But let's see what are the main reasons that we are seeing this gain today. Now, NBCC is considering a bonus issue on August 31. So they have slated a meeting on August 31 to consider the bonus issue of shares that we are looking at. Last bonus issue was in the ratio of 1:2, which happened back in 2017. So that was on the bonus part, why the stock is buzzing. But let's also go to the fundamentals as to why the stock is buzzing. So if we look at the recent orders in focus, its arm HSCC got orders worth about 528 crore. Now this was for the biomedical equipment as well as hospital furniture in Haryana. Along with this also, they had received another 720 crore of orders. So this was about 710 crore for development of 2 land parcels in Jhansi, and again 10 crore for the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Now, if you take the consolidated order book in picture, that stands at about 81,000 crore as of June 24. But let's look at the earnings as well. So revenue was up around 11%. At 2,144 crore in Q1. EBITDA also strong growth, 60.3% of growth, and the margins have inched upwards to 4.27% as compared to 2.96%. Net profit seeing about a 38.5% growth. But onto the outlook going forward, management targets a 13,000 crore of top line, which shows about a 25% of a growth. Margins slated at 5.5% to 6% for FY25, and PAT margins at 4.5 to 5% for FY25. The management also anticipates this 80,000 crore order book that we are looking at to go to the 1 lakh crore by the year end. So strong performance, even if you look at the year forward in terms of stock performance. In 1 year, it has seen about a 270% of a gain, 6 months 42%, and in 1 month 0.4% of a gain for NBCC India that we are looking at.
Sure, absolutely. Let's bring on our guests on board, Anushi. After that very comprehensive breakdown of NBCC, we have Rajesh Agarwal, Head of Research at Om Capital, and we have Vaishali Parekh, Vice President Technical Research at Prabhudas Lilladher. Both of you all welcome on the show. Rajesh, let me take it to you first. Bonus announcement technically doesn't signal any positivity per se, except the fact that you get additional shares and there's a larger free float. What's your sense? 10% move on NBCC. How do you view the stock as well as the announcement itself?
Good morning, Harsh. Good morning, Arushi. Good morning, Vaishali. You said it right. A bonus or a split does not add any value to the company fundamental itself. Just it increases the liquidity and the charm on the retail investors, I would say, when they go on hunting for lower price stock. Otherwise, fundamentally, that doesn't make any changes in the fundamentals of the company. But as far as NBCC is concerned, Arushi did a very comprehensive, detailed analysis of the data and all. So I won't add anything to that because it already has been done. But what I would like to add is NBCC basically is into 3 segments, I would say: project management, real estate, and EPC. And all 3 divisions are doing very well. While other real estate or a construction infra company, you find a lot of debt. This is a company which is debt free, I would say, and almost 70%. I said almost because 61% is with the Government of India, 5.96 with LIC, and 2.3 with CPSE. So that makes it 70% government holding. Float is also low. Fundamentals are very strong. It has been languishing since a very long period of time in the last 4-5 years because of various reasons like Amrapali going to its belt and all those things. Otherwise, it's a very strong company, debt-free company, having a good order book of almost 84,000 odd crores, which the management has clearly indicated that it would move to around 1 lakh crore. I think some bit of consolidation after this kind of up move today would be a very good price point for long-term investors to make an investment. Maybe 175, 180 odd levels would be a very good levels to enter come bonus.
Okay, so strong fundamentals on NBCC over here, but